Explain like I'm 5. If there are many satellites orbiting Earth, how do space launches not bump into any of them? Here's the answer. The enormous vastness of space around Earth significantly minimizes the probability of collisions during space launches. Despite the thousands of satellites in orbit, the relative smallness and the large volume they occupy make direct hits highly unlikely. This reality, coupled with the fact that satellites follow specific orbits that typically don't intersect with launch paths, makes mid-space collisions a rare occurrence. In addition to these natural protective measures, several man-made systems and regulations significantly contribute to space safety. Ground-based radar systems track all operational satellites and a considerable amount of space debris. This information is vital in planning spacecraft launches and altering satellite orbits when a potential collision is predicted. Spacecraft themselves are designed with resilience in mind, capable of withstanding impacts from small, untracked debris. Beyond these design measures, international guidelines play a crucial role in maintaining the safety of space activities. For instance, discontinued satellites are moved to graveyard orbits, further reducing the risk of collisions. In essence, the combined efforts of careful tracking, robust design, and strict adherence to international regulations ensure the risk of collisions in space is kept to a minimum.